Hello everyone, this is Justice the Real Estate Agent, and today we're at a beautiful home in Winter Park, right here on the lake. This is at an $800,000 price point. Let's go ahead and jump into the home tour. Dude, we'll eventually take a walk down there so you can see the actual lake. But beautiful home. I definitely love the style of the trees on the entryway. Gives it a really nice look. And I love how the garage have this colonial style. And the light fixtures are really beautiful as well. Tall door. Let's go ahead and take a look. So as we enter, you can see you have this dining room set, beautifully staged as well. This fixture is super impeccable. And we have the Vogue. So I really enjoy the staging here. And we'll make our way up these stairs eventually. But for now, we'll check out the kitchen. So modern, updated, love the countertop. The color palette is nice and white. Pops with the stainless steel finishes on the appliances. You even have lighting all the way throughout the top of the cabinet space. Room for a bar and stools. You can sit, and they staged this really well. Hints of green, earth tones, mixing with the light color. And we'll have a bedroom here. So this could be your ensuite. For in-laws, you have the boy there for disability assistance. And it's pretty quaint. Adequate storage space. Let's make our way back over here. And we come out here. Lots of privacy. Quiet and quaint. And now we'll make our way into the garage. So, 2-car garage. Oh, let me show you this as well. Storage here in the front. Up the stairs we go. His and her sinks. Soaking tub. Washing shower, spotlight, private door for your toilet, closet for toiletries. Now this is like a football field. Decent bedroom sizes. So the home was really beautiful. Neighbors out on the pool. So what we're gonna do is just take a walk down the street, probably less than like 500 yards, to the water view. So this is gonna be Lake Killarney. There are a few restaurants, Trader Joe's, coffee shops, all surrounding the lake. It's really wonderful. Please like and subscribe for more home tours. I'll be able to drop, I'll say let's do one a week and keep that rolling. If you guys really enjoy these, share them with a friend. Helps us market, helps us get more homes sold. I appreciate your time. Take care.